Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a very easy recipe for smoked queso or salsa con queso with meat. So to make this I'm using some chorizo sausage links, which I'm taking the meat out of the casing. You just want to cut it or squeeze it out. And for this you don't have to use chorizo, you can use any type of mincemeat you want and season it according to how you would like it. Taco seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken. Feel free to mix it up, switch it up, use what suits you. We'll cook that until it's nice and crumbly and brown in color. Make sure it's cooked properly. After it's cooked, all you have to do is go ahead and set this aside and allow it to cool down. Now these are the cheeses that I'll be using. I'm using the Velveeta Mexican and I'm also using the Velveeta Original. If you can't get these cheeses, use whatever you can find, but if you can get the Velveeta, I suggest you use it. So to a big foil container, we're going to go in with that Mexican Velveeta. In goes that regular Velveeta, some pepper jack cheese, some coby jack cheese, you can use mozzarella, you can use whatever cheese you like. In goes a can of chopped tomatoes with habaneros in there. Add in your cooked meat or cooked sausages. Now we're going to go in with some chopped jalapeños, chopped onions. I'm adding in some pimento pepper. It's going to add so much more flavor. Now I'm going to add some of this pimento seasoning powder from Isabel's. I will leave the link to contact Isabel's to purchase down in the description box. This goes into your grill, hence the reason why we said smoked. You're going to let it cook there, and ever so often you're going to go ahead and give it a mix. Once the cheese starts to melt, just keep mixing. You want to incorporate all of those ingredients into the cheese. Now even though the cheese starts to melt, this still has like around 10 more minutes to go. So we're going to be checking it every 10 minutes and giving it a mix every 10 minutes. If you peep that other container on the side, I made a small batch for my mother-in-law with chicken since she does not eat pork. You see how the cheese is starting to feel a little more loose? You can tell the consistency is now a little more loose. I'm going to mix it again and I'm going to allow it to continue to cook again for another 10 minutes. So in total, we're doing half an hour. When you do a small amount, it finishes faster, so keep that in mind. Now look how awesome this looks. Perfectly melted and everything is nice and warm. Look at the consistency. It's a runny consistency. You want to make sure that it's a dippable consistency. Now all we have to do now is plate, and it's time to enjoy this goodness. I like serving this with some store-bought tortilla chips. Goes really great. You can use regular chips or you can use scoops. Feel free to use what you like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it. Let me know down below if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!